Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well and enjoying your life with your friends and family. Today in this video I'm going to share my experience of my journey from Milano Centrale, Italy to Switzerland, Zurich. Before we continue with the journey, let me quickly take you back to where this trip began. I started my journey from Milano Centrale in Italy, traveling towards Switzerland. I passed through Como with its famous Lake Como and then continued towards Chiasso, which is located right on the Italian-Swiss border. And this is where the Swiss part of my journey begins. From Chiasso, the train continues through some of the most beautiful landscapes in Switzerland, passing by lakes, mountains, small towns, and impressive railway tunnels. As the train leaves Chiasso, the scenery gradually begins to change. The mountains become more prominent and you can start to see the beautiful Swiss landscape opening up around you. So next stop is Lugano, one of the most beautiful cities in southern Switzerland. Lugano is located in the Italian-speaking region of Switzerland and is famous for Lake Lugano. As the train moves through this area, you can see the lake surrounded by mountains and beautiful green landscapes. The combination of the blue water and the mountain makes this part of the journey particularly scenic. From Lugano, we continue towards Bellinzona, the capital of the canton of Ticino. Bellinzona is famous for its three medieval castles, which are recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Along this part of the journey, the train passes through mountains, tunnels, and bridges, giving you a great view of Switzerland's impressive railway engineering. From Bellinzona, we continue towards Arth-Godwa, an important railway junction in central Switzerland. The landscape here becomes even more mountainous with beautiful alpine scenery surrounding the railway line. After Arth-Godwa, our next stop is Zug, a beautiful town situated on the shores of Lake Zug. The peaceful lake, green surroundings, and mountains make this another beautiful section of the journey. After several hours of traveling through Italy and Switzerland, we finally arrive at Zurich HB, the main railway station in Zurich. And finally, when I reached Zurich, I met my friend at the station. This was a beautiful journey filled with lakes, mountains, tunnel, and some unforgettable view. But the journey doesn't end here. In my next vlog, I'll take you around Zurich, explore the city, and share more of my experience there. So stay tuned for the next vlog, and I'll see you in Zurich.